Hey guys, and it is official time. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 is right around the corner. August the 7th is the official date of the announcement. We've got a brand new teaser from Samsung and some other leaks. But before we talk about any of that, let's take a look at the official renders of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Yes, the official renders are fully leaked, revealing the beautiful design. The beauty is indeed here. We've got so many beautiful colors. So there's one in all black, which looks very sexy indeed. There's a slight camera bump as well. The design follows all the leaks and rumors that we already know, so nothing new there. But I have to point out that this looks absolutely stunning. I don't know what Mate 30 Pro will look like, but I have to say this thing is beautiful. There's also in one silver color, which has a blue S Pen. And then there is that Huawei inspired gradient color, which looks pretty good. I hope there are more gradient color versions, but seems like these might be the options that we have in the start of Galaxy Note 10 launch. Now this is the Galaxy Note 10. We thought it might be called as Galaxy Note 10 E. But I guess it's just gonna be called as Galaxy Note 10, the smaller version. It has triple cameras. Of the S10 Plus, the only thing missing here is the time of flight sensor, which we're gonna see on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. In fact, both front and back cameras of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus will have time of flight sensor for the awesome portrait camera photos. Along with that, we'll have a bigger battery on the Note 10 Plus, of course, bigger size as well. We'll see 25 watts of fast charging on both models, but the one coming with 5G might have 45 watts of fast charging, which is one of the highest on the market. So Samsung will bring its proper A game when it comes to fast charging with the Note 10 Plus 5G version. Also, there's been a lot of rumors going on about S Pen and why Samsung should remove it. Ice Universe said that because of the S Pen, the Galaxy Note 10 is going through some heavy sacrifices. The Note 10 has 800 mAh less battery size. The design could have been more bezel-less and they could have used more aggressive cameras, but because of S Pen, there was just not enough space. Wow, that's a lot of sacrifices for having a stylus. I mean, the S Pen is the beauty of the Galaxy Note lineup. It's been here since the start, from the first generation. I mean, no other phone on the market offers a built-in stylus. I'm sure a lot of people do use it, and even some of the people that I know that are very invested in the Galaxy Note lineup, they only upgrade to the Note lineup. Personally, if you ask me, I think it's nice to have the S Pen, but to me, it's not that important. So if I have a choice, I would say improve the design, improve the camera, improve the battery life, but still offer the S Pen separately. But let me know your thoughts on this. Based on all the advancements and improvements Samsung has made on the S Pen, I highly doubt that they're gonna kill it. It's been an active part of conversation within Samsung to merge the S and Note lineup in the future, but the Note series has just been too legendary, and especially now with Huawei releasing 2 flagships in 1 year, I highly doubt that Samsung will ever merge S and Note lineup. They need 2 flagships in order to compete with Huawei. According to Samsung's senior vice president, the S Pen will have much improved performance over the previous generation. He also said that they're gonna apply a lot of aggressive next level features to the Galaxy A lineup, and then he mentioned about 5G and how Samsung will be the king of it. Samsung plans to make a lot of 5G phones in the coming years to lead the 5G smartphone market. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 won't be having headphone jack, but something interesting could replace it. We have a new image leak of the AKG branded wireless earbuds. According to the leak coming from Samsung SmartThings app, the AKG made wireless headphones are coming most likely to be announced alongside the Note 10 family. The exciting part here is that Samsung could be the first company to offer these AKG wireless buds within the box, as to justify the death of headphone jack. I mean, if Samsung does that, I think it's going to be the most amazing thing. Again, fingers crossed, nothing is confirmed. The Galaxy A80 that I just unboxed yesterday also has no headphone jack. It comes with a Type-C headphone, and there's no dongle or anything out of the box, so you cannot use your old headphones. You only get Type-C Samsung headphones out of the box to use with it. But with the Galaxy Note 10 and Samsung might be generous enough to include AKG Wireless Buds inside the box. Again, we'll see what's gonna happen when the stage is officially set on August the 7th. Let me know your thoughts on the official Galaxy Note 10 press renders, and what do you think about the state of S Pen? Should Samsung keep it moving forward, or do you think that it's becoming extra at this point and Samsung should drop it? Let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.